Make batla bona. Ho wa cheat na. Moshebeng. Whose friend are you? Whose friend are you? Ha ke ta mo ka o bontsha go cheat jwang. Ha ke ta ka o bontsha. Ha ke ta ka o bontsha go cheat jwang. Hore ya phone mo ntse e etsa ha se yona. Go sia mo Dennisville o tletse nna Dennisville ke tsamaye ke welcome khutle ko tsholontso nkemetse. That is what we call cheating. Ke ba pasta. Ke la.
On top of it. It's so cool. It's so
Chala le mlunga boyfriend tanga kama bija kulo ya.
Ke rata wa se boyfriend ka.
And then who am I faso go tshela papa ke shi. Oh, ya sa matawa.
How on?
This no bring my pi.
This panda.
O se fe.
This panda.
Took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself. I know that I will never disappoint myself.
Because of all the guys. Or the bao ka di shots again. Okay, get ma.
O tlo na shot ka bona na shot ni.
Ha ke no yin.
O dai.
Last time I checked, nah, lebhang mo kwena. Last time I checked, ke hlapile mzala, ke hlapile. Last time I checked, ne ke menela mokgotsi ka wa Shein.
Anna ke
Ane, ke mo pakella o toropo. Anger? Ziggy pow. Ga so pong. Re ke koteleng.
Dilele tsa ka kae. Di tempo ni ka pkeng. Oh. Buja bili. Ori,
Kere, mamel. Last time I checked, guys. Last time I checked.
Di vlog tse daw. Gore go ya tsirase.
First of all, it is not my fault. First of all, it is not my fault. Like I showed you guys. First of all, last time I checked. Ke menela mkhutso ka wa Shein ke mo etsetsa spring cleaning ke ba like o kila bo ke te wa ke fusion na go lende te mdimune Joang ka ban tamelo behelo tu stulong e tla uncomfortable ka ba be uncomfortable tampon Okay. Oh, okay, I understand that one.
Everybody say, "Di yona di bulegi."
Futsa kwe. Mamelang, like I was saying.
So, askisi baba o kana ba tsamana because di second tag no go le ke ya ile. Ke tla o wena. Yo, askisi ke ke ka mona.
Kalipatel kam khotsi maybe. Last time I checked, I was I was being Dorothy and I was cleaning the house, or you can just call me Maria. It's okay. Okay, you can tell okay. Last time I checked, I was cleaning in the house. And I don't understand the wrong
Chef, I can make money to keep it off and leave Jana probably Joan could do with the
Kisabeletsa ba ga toring kisabeletsa chatting mofufutso wa ka o tswella moyeng jalo ka kisabeletsa chatting jalo ka mofufutso wa ntja ka po eng ntwe e jalo e. Like I was telling you guys, I was being a good girl. I was cleaning the house. I was being productive, as you guys know. So, problem this girl, when she knocked off, I took a man come 17. I and I could flip those money. Scoop Sagasa.
I'm Shimano. I'm sorry, I had some more.
Ska flesh I never So yeah, like I was saying, I was cleaning in this house. So while I was cleaning, she was at work and then she knocks off at 5. So I think I spent the whole hour in the shower because at 4, right? So because I woke up, I was in my feelings. So let's talk about it. So and then she came back. When she came back, now we're just grabbing 2 snacks go slow nyana o kila bona go kutlela ka tlu fotsa man jala ha o e ka mane o bua lena ding
ke sna that
ke go hotspot so ya bo so sharp ga mo kana ka 5 6 7 8 ka 8 electric ya go ka 8 electric ha e go ka he a gutlela hae but then o kana ba ga botsa gore ka di ora tse 4 galeretsang strateng because of visa shopo ma a go fika shopo gela a reka ntho ne ke tsetlileng for mo ka yone ke re bontshe ke re botlolo le green le na le stars se khubedu le ngotse ka white a reka hene ke a khona tse 4 one for every hour ka botse 5 and then a khutla e mo khutla lona hae happy ka pele ka di shots ke ya ha ke batle njwa ha ke njwa banana ba itsong hanta ha ba njwa ya ba kemetse comment okay yeah, but and then we came back to the house and then in Raja chips papa got the chips I got those papa got the chips and then now I don't know why I'm hyperactive kapo ke tswikiri like glucose because I'm really short first of all I have you on tape dile two short tseo ka betsa jwa
la diva must tape
I'm shooting the guys people want to look so that's the thing and then we came back and we went live and ever since I came fusion and hesu ke le jetseng ha ke ne fusion
bona
ke tse ka reng ha ke ma ha ke le ha ka ha ke mo file pe ga mina ke
maka
labon so that is the thing so no jana ke 12 ga tlo go ba
ke 12
eh
yona ke a tswa moshisimo
le bone go bulane ka nkonyaka so that's the thing yo
bye guys ana sa no se ikuta wa hle
sharp
lo tawa ene
na hanzo tawa jalo ga ke re McDonald's.
O tlo tswa o seng ya o late.
Hoseng kana koma.
Kwa le ska mo ja o tswe ke bo le mo.
Hoseng kana koma ska tlo tswa ka phone. Okay. So Tando wants cake. Okay. She said she wants chocolate cake, but she sent small man, little man. So let's take this one.
For cloud, they do anything for cloud, anything, do anything for cloud.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still scared what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just a little beef in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tamed, I'd rather be wild.
Ke bone di YouTuber di patla di address tsa bona, but then nna ka fela la tseba di guy because some of you guys they are for consultations and everything. So and if ever out to address yak, this is my address. 3039 Big section Repeng Koto Dennisville, right? Yes. So yeah, I got these lashes individuals like I told you guys. It's just gonna be like a quick thing because first of all I get like kittens, and then these things for like those self-care routines, the wristbands, and then I got this flopper. I get to get rid of cappuccino maker. I get to get rid of because of Axano coffee, but then we'll see. Like I wanna try matcha, right? So I'm gonna be using this. And on other things too. And then I got this tripod. I've been wanting this tripod for so long. Because first of all, no, I just hope it's steady, like it's stable. It comes with the Bluetooth remote. First of all, I travel a lot. Like I don't take my content in one place, like body shower routine and everything. So I have to pack tripod and the tripod is attached to ring light. So you pack a tripod, you pack a ring light and the whole kilabo. So I'm over that. That is why I'm saying, so I'm gonna be using this baby from today. I'll tell you how she does. And then what else did I get? Okay, and then we got these because obviously dermaplaning elevator like skincare routine. If you haven't watched my shower routines, this is your time to shine because of I made this order just simply for that. I don't know, but then I got these teeth whitening strips. Don't come for me. And then, what is this? Oh, okay. I see you, girl. And then I got this fan. Oh my god. Like, we're gonna be getting ready for summer. Do you get that? I'm so excited. But I'm not as excited as, like... I have this LED video light because of... ring light and like I said, I'm not willing to be traveling around with all of those things. I just want conveniency from now on. This was a mistake actually. I got 2 tongue scrapers, but because Sekidulal K, I'll just mark one and give one to her. What the hell is this? Skin here to one more. Extra 10% off. I said Zavona. And then in these are underwears, I think a D4 or D5 come on. They were cheap and I hardly buy them. So when I see them online, I was just like, let us grab these. Furthermore, I've wanted these jumpsuit for way too long. No, actually, I just wanted a jumpsuit. Like, but the jumpsuit thing at them because I feel like they flatter my body and I like them. So I got this black one and then yeah, that is it. There's something like that. And then into this spoolie because I'm gonna be doing my lashes and everything. Into this spoolie and then yeah, that's it. That was quick. Let us clean this house. This camera. Wow. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect to be clear at all because of obviously screen sakasina like level. So I'm going to so I'm going to clean this house, not like in detail. I'm just gonna be cleaning like and then in Tando and Tefela, I don't know. I'm going to see her before I leave, and then we're going to Perinachen because Kay just called again. But then I'm going. There's literally nothing for me here.
Gotta talk, alright, baby. I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you.
It's over now. I can see the sunshine.